Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the square and cube numbers. In this video we will learn about the integers. Our today's topic is integers. Height of the mountain is 50 meters above the ground, and the depth of the seabed is 18 meters below the sea level. 0. As the height and depth both start from the ground level, height is above the ground level and depth is below the ground level. Therefore, in terms of the numbers, the ground level is the 0 level. The ground level is the 0 level. The top of the mountain is 50 meters above the ground. Top of the mountain is 50 meters above the ground. We will use positive sign with this number. That shows it is positive number or it is above the 0 level. The depth of the seabed is 18 meters below the sea level. As this is below the 0 level, we will use negative sign with this number. I repeat, as 50 meters is the above the ground or sea level, it is plus 50, and depth of the seabed is below the sea level or ground level. We will write it as minus 18 meters. The numbers written a positive sign or a negative sign are called integers. The numbers written with a positive sign or a negative sign are called integers. The positive or negative sign used before any number shows the difference in the nature of the number. As top of the mountain is above the ground level and seabed is below the ground level, it shows difference in nature. One is below and one is up. So we use positive and negative sign to show the difference in the nature of the number. For example, if going up is positive, then coming down is negative. It is opposite in nature. Going up is positive and coming down is negative. Both are opposite in nature. So we use opposite sign with them. Going up is positive and coming down is negative. If earning money is positive, for example, you are having pocket money and you are getting some more pocket money. This is positive as you are getting something. But if you want to buy something, if you purchase or you are spending money, it is negative. Paying bill is negative. I repeat, earning money is positive, then paying bill is negative. In earning money we are getting something, in paying bills we are spending money. So both have opposite natures. We use opposite sign with them. If hot tea has positive temperature, then ice cream has negative temperature. Tea is hot and ice cream is cold. There is difference in this nature. Both have the different nature. Tea is hot and ice cream is cold. If we use positive sign with tea, we will use negative sign with ice cream because there is difference in their nature. Losing 3 kg of weight, is it positive or negative? We are losing something. Something is going away. Is it positive or negative? It is negative. As we are losing 3 kg. So this is negative. Saving rupees 5,000. If you get pocket money and you are saving rupees 5,000, is it positive or negative? You are having 5,000 rupees. It is positive because you have some amount. You have saved rupees 5,000. This is positive. Going to 5th floor in a building. Is it positive or negative in nature? It is. Think about it. Okay, we are going up. We are going to the 5th floor. We are moving upward. Now students tell me. It is positive. It is positive as we are going upwards. Withdrawing amount rupees 10,000 from a bank account. Is it positive or negative? You are not saving anything. You are withdrawing money. You are taking your amount back from the bank. It is positive or negative? It is negative because this amount is not saving. You are not saving rupees 10,000. You are taking your amount back from the bank. This is negative in nature. In this video we have discussed about the integers. In the next video we will learn about the integers on a number line. How to place the integers on a number line. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.